My name is Curtis Small, and I'm the Director of Capital Waste. My responsibility is to oversee all the operations that go on throughout the company. Here at Capital Waste, we focus on strip out, demolition and waste away services. Coming from a waste collection background, initially when we first started out, we know how to segregate waste. We know what waste material goes where and what waste material is valuable and what isn't valuable. So coming from that standpoint, we're geared up to be able to produce up to 98% worth of recycling on any strip out or demolition that we do. So we've combined those two elements, and that makes us quite unique. This particular job that we've just completed on was 32,000 square foot of offices and purpose-built units that we had stripped out. With a job like this, prior to getting on site, we have to do our risk assessment, our method statements. We have to then submit an F10 to the HSE. We also have to work on our CDM, which is a construction phase plan. Once we're on site, the boys then proceeded on removing all the suspended ceilings, then moved up into the loft to remove all the M&E that was in there, isolated all the water and drained down the radiators in order to get them removed. Once they were removed, we then continued on to removing the raised access flooring, removing the floor tiles, breaking down partition walls, such as plasterboard and glass partition walls. As we're doing that, we are segregating the waste as we go along, and we ended up removing up to 100 tons worth of waste materials. I'm proud of all the jobs that we do. The execution, the attention to detail that my guys have been trained to carry out, that always makes me proud. But this particular job, there was quite a few items that we had donated, one of which we donated a whole canteen to a school. So we ended up delivering that canteen. Now the school have made use of it. That's the sort of stuff that makes me proud. Not only that, the recycling levels of 98%, that's a really good rate of recycling. Where we come from a standpoint of waste, and we can segregate as we go along, and we have our own in-house waste removal vehicles, we can act on things a lot faster than most other strip-out companies who use external skips, external waste vehicles. We've also invested in innovative plant that speeds up our work by about 20%. That makes it cost effective for the client. That's what we want. We want to be working safe. We want to be working efficiently, but also safe at the same time. That not only protects our staff, but also protects our client's reputation.